The 2026 crypto bull run isn't coming. It's already forming. Most people won't realize it until prices are up 150% and headlines start screaming, "Crypto is back." But by then, the easy money is gone. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to position before 2026 fully explodes, step by step. So you're early, not emotional. And yes, I'm giving away $250 to help one of you build your portfolio. Stay until the end. Let's start with reality. Every major crypto cycle follows the same structure. Phase 1, quiet accumulation. Phase 2, smart money positioning. Phase 3, retail FOMO. Phase 4, blow off top. Right now, we're transitioning from Phase 1 to Phase 2. Institutions are accumulating. ETFs continue absorbing supply. On-chain activity is rising. Long-term holders aren't selling. That's not retail behavior. That's positioning. So how do you play this correctly? Step 1. Build a core layer. This is your foundation. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not sexy, not flashy, but dominant. Bitcoin benefits from post-halving supply compression and institutional capital. Ethereum benefits from staking lockup and on-chain infrastructure demand. This is where 50 to 60% of your crypto exposure should live. Stability first. Upside second. Step 2. Add a growth layer. This is where you introduce calculated volatility. Think scalable Layer 1 ecosystems. High utility infrastructure, projects with strong developer momentum. This is where asymmetric upside begins. When liquidity expands, these assets move faster than Bitcoin. But you don't overweight them, you position them. Step 3, add a narrative layer. Every bull cycle has a dominant story. In 2017, it was ICOs. In 2021, it was DeFi and NFTs. In 2026, it's looking like AI plus blockchain integration, decentralized compute, tokenized AI datasets, on-chain automation. When two megatrends collide, capital floods in. This is your high-risk, high-reward allocation. Smaller percentage, bigger upside potential. Now here's where most people mess up. They go all in on one altcoin. Or they wait for confirmation from mainstream media. By the time CNBC talks about it, it's already priced in. The real move? Dollar cost average during consolidation. Increase exposure during fear spikes. Trim during extreme greed. Emotion destroys portfolios. Structure builds them. Now let's talk 2026 targets. If liquidity expands globally, if interest rate pressure eases, and if ETF inflows continue, we could see Bitcoin pushing new cycle highs, Ethereum reclaiming dominant strength, selective altcoins outperforming massively. But understand this, you don't need a 50-coin portfolio. You need 5 to 8 high-conviction positions with discipline. Wealth in crypto isn't built from randomness. It's built from conviction plus patience. And patience is rare. That's why early positioning matters. Now, if you want to enter the $250 giveaway, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below, 2026 ready, and tell me which sector you're most bullish on. One of you will win $250 to build your crypto stack. 2026 won't reward the loudest voices. It will reward the prepared ones. The question is, are you positioned or are you watching?